Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you a cool tip to take pictures from your iPhone by just saying commands and without touching your iPhone. Now, this can be very handy if you like to take a group selfie with your friends or family, and also if you're vlogging or in general. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Open Settings. Click on Accessibility. Scroll up and click on Voice Control. Turn on the voice control and go back to the home screen. You can see a blue color icon near the time showing that voice controls are enabled. Now say the command Open Camera. It will open the camera application. Say the command Show Names. It will show names for all the camera settings. Now say the command Tap Camera Chooser. It will switch to the front camera. Now say Tap Take Picture. And that's it. Say cheese. That's how you can smartly take pictures with your friends and family by placing the smartphone somewhere nearby and just saying the commands. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.